This may not be an issue for many people, but if you're in Massachusetts, New York, Connecticut, Virginia, California, or these known high tax jurisdictions, some people look to change their residence and change their domicile. Talk to me about the benefits and or the pitfalls of changing your state domicile.
This has been probably, I would say, the hottest topic that we have with clients in the past 3+ years. Every state has its own tax code. We all kind of know generally the IRS tax code. You hear components of that. It's a little more familiar to the average person. But the states have their own tax code. And unfortunately, every state does it differently. And a common question we've been getting recently is, how do I get out of Massachusetts, who implemented a millionaire's tax, right? An additional 4% on top of the 5%. I'm paying 9% on my income over $1 million. What the heck just happened? How do I get out of here? And, it's a lifestyle question. It's a personal question. Do you really want to move? What other state could you live in? Florida sounds great. No state income tax. But is that really where you want to live? It's hot. There's hurricanes, but it's a beautiful place. Let's just say that works for you. Great. You can buy a plane ticket, rent an apartment, buy a house. You've officially moved your physical presence there. Massachusetts is not going to give up that easily. Massachusetts is still looking at you as an outgoing taxpayer very closely. And there is a very defined checklist. John, I know that you have one on your team and you've worked with clients on this, but there is a checklist of things that you have to do to kind of prove to Massachusetts that you've left. You've effectively left, and they can't reach in and claw some of that taxable income back.